Start selling these exclusive digital products now and seize the chance to skyrocket your holiday earnings with minimal competition and a total revenue of $4,000. The time to act is now. In today's video, I'll guide you through the fast track of building this similar business by unlocking the power of AI. So let's dive in and make this holiday season your most profitable one yet. Jumping into designing quality digital product like this involves 3 steps. Firstly, utilize ChatGPT for prompt generation, image generation platform for visuals, and adding that finishing touch with Canva. But before diving into the design, let's ensure it's a perfect design to sell. Start by going into these product reviews, check if it has any recent feedbacks, discover what customer likes or dislike, and understand how they use the product. Next, make sure it has minimal competition by copying the product name and search it on Etsy. A low competition level means a higher chance of success when you start selling today. Now, for the best shortcut to know a good selling product is by using one of these paid tools called Alura. With these shop analyzer features, I get insight into the monthly and total revenue of this store, individual listing earnings, and even monthly sale for a specific listings. So all this information ensures confidence in designing a digital product with high sale potential. Now to initiate the design process, I copy the product name and paste it into ChatGPT. I asked it to provide 10 image generation prompt ideas from it, and I also told ChatGPT that I will provide it with a prompt sample to follow. Then I went ahead and gave ChatGPT this prompt sample that were able to give me similar result to that of our competitor. And ChatGPT did an amazing job by providing more prompt to choose from. Once I have my prompt, I head over to Canva and created a custom size. When I was done, I selected Canva text to image. And the best part about this AI, it provides 500 tokens to use every month. That means generating 500 AI images every month. And I pasted my prompt. But before I hit the generate button, I set my dimension at portrait for the design to come out in this format. Once I finish, I click generate and the results were amazing. Now, let's say I selected a particular design and I wanted Canva AI to generate more variations like this. So to achieve this, I click on these 3 dots and selected generate more like this. Canva AI successfully generated more similar results based on the concept I chose. Now, repeat all these steps for other prompts to generate more designs. But unfortunately, AI images from Canva could be pixelated. So to upscale it to have a better quality, I use this free AI app called Remini from Google Play Store. Once you're in, you choose the photo you want to enhance from your gallery and click enhance. After waiting for a few seconds, you notice the difference in image quality. But sometimes the color may change compared to the original. So I decided to disable the color by clicking here to keep the original color. And the best part about this design, it has more demand. So what are you waiting for? Now, to present your digital product effectively, start by compiling all your designs in the Google Drive folder and copy the link. Then use this link to create a PDF page on Canva. To get this done, head over to Canva, search for Christmas PDF page and select your preferred template. Now, enhance your design by adding text. Go to the text section and choose subtext and type in, click on the download button to download this file. Now go to the element section and search for download now button. Choose anyone and position it perfectly within your design. And to ensure the download button is clickable, simply click on these 3 dots, swipe to the end, select link and paste your link. Then export it as PDF. Now wherever your customer click on that download button, it will seamlessly take them to the Google Drive folder. Now here's a crucial tip. Achieving sales on Etsy involves crafting high quality designs within a niche with lower competition. This approach significantly increases your chances of making sales quickly. Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.